Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Scorpions for the remaining days of October month. It is specifically a love reading, a general love reading, so it won't resonate with everyone out there. So just keep that in mind. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. I'm Pooja from India. I'm a psychic and intuitive tarot reader. You can also reach out to me for personal readings via my WhatsApp. I have mentioned all the links and all the necessary information in the description box. So yeah, if you are interested, you can always come down for me for the personal readings. Yeah, let's start. Let's see what's happening for Scorpions in the month of October towards the month of November. Okay, for Scorpions, what's happening? Okay, the Magician, beautiful. This is a Gemini energy. Maybe you're dealing with a Gemini specifically. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. What more do we have for Scorpions? Two of Cups, beautiful. Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy. Water sign. What more do we have? Yeah, Seven of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarian energy, fire sign. Okay, what more do we have for Scorpio for the month of October? The next we have is Eight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarian energy. The next we have is, let me arrange these, Four of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, water sign. What more do we have for Scorpio? Wow, Aquarius energy, the Star. Specifically, maybe you're dealing with an Aquarian. And the last we have is, wow, Four of Wands. What better to end with? Aries, Leo, Sag energy. And the bottom of deck is also beautiful, Queen of Wands. Wow, this has come up really beautiful for you guys. After a long time, I'm just very happy for Scorpions, because after a very long time, this is something really beautiful. I'm very sad and very disappointed that I'm doing it towards the end of the month. I wish I could do it towards the starting of the month. I'll try to from the next month. I'll try to post it quickly as possible. Anyways, please hit the like button before moving towards the reading. Okay. So what I can overall see here is, Scorpions, you are just moving towards a better future now with your person. Okay, whomsoever you're dealing with, you are moving towards from rejection to acceptance, towards a better future, towards positivity. Okay, Scorpion, you are manifesting things for you now. Whatever you are manifesting, it is coming to fruition and you are seeing results in front of you. Okay, you are getting commitment, you are getting a beautiful partnership from someone, your wishes are being fulfilled, everything is just falling into place. Okay, because King of Cups and the Four of Wands is here, I'm definitely seeing many of you are going to receive commitment for marriage. Okay, if you are expecting it, you will receive it in the month of October, like these remaining days, or towards the starting of November. Okay, I'm definitely sensing here you are going to get a love offer from someone who has a lot of deep, intense feelings for you, who wants to partner with you, who wants partnership with you, who sees you as someone who is their wish fulfillment, who sees you as someone who like they have a lot of hope from you and from this connection, and they want to face any challenges and any obstacles, and they want to just come with you. I'm also seeing the person you're dealing with, you have a lot of indifferences. Maybe you are belonging to a different caste, they are belonging to a different caste, there is age gap, there is a lot of, like, there are many challenges, but this person and their feelings are like growing day by day. Each passing day, this person has their love has increased for you. Okay, maybe they were not accepting in the past, they were not accepting their love, their emotions, they were not accepting they need to commit to you, they were not accepting they need to, like, you are their wish fulfillment. But now in the month of October, they are being more accepting towards you. Your person is going to be more accepting towards you. They will want to have partnership with you, they will want to have commitment with you, they will want to grow it further with you. Okay, in spite of all the challenges, all the indifferences, all the restrictions, what I can see here. Okay, maybe they see there are many challenges, maybe they know they have to cross many hurdles, They have to cross many hurdles to get to you and towards the stability they are expecting with you. This is not easy. This will come up with a lot of problems. Okay, this is not easy for both of you. The path they are walking with you is not easy, and they know that. Maybe they were denying it from a very long time, but they have, you will see this person has come up in this mindset of acceptance, of giving love, showing their love, okay, giving that commitment to you. Now the picture is going to be clearer for you. Okay, Scorpions, after a very long time you are going to get what you want. Okay, make a wish and it is going to be granted. Make a wish and it is going to be fulfilled. This person will focus more on you, your needs, in spite of what they see this relationship, with what perception they see this relationship at. Yeah, I think in the past they were not quite accepting, they were denying, they were running away from you, you were chasing them and they were just running away from you. But now they will themselves come back to you, okay, because they know you are there once in a lifetime. Okay, and these feelings might be, vice versa, so take it as it resonates to you. I'm also seeing this person feels bound to you. They can't pull themselves or tear themselves apart from you, because they feel as if you both are soulmates, and you both are. Okay, many of you are soulmates. There is soul ties connecting you both together. Okay, and it's not easy for this person or you to run away from each other. This will be very hard. Okay, there will be challenges, let me tell you, there will be challenges. Okay, but this person is determined. They are wanting to face everything for you. They will want to face everything for you, with you. As far as you are with them, they will want to. And the last card we have as an outcome is Queen of Wands. You will be also accepting towards this person. Okay, you will allow this person to come back and give them a chance. Okay, Scorpions, so beautiful energy. Let's see what more do we have from Oracle. The oracles I'm using is the Sacred Destiny. If you want to buy, please just check the description box for the link. Okay, what more do we have? Let's see what advice do we have for Scorpions. See, if you want something, just manifest it and keep your intentions very clear. Even in the month of November, everything is just falling in place for you. What more do we have? Scorpions, yeah, I told you, you're going to seek pleasure. You're going to see the best times of your life. You're going to witness the best, like this is going to be something you always dreamt of. Okay, so you're going to enjoy pleasure with your person. You're going to seek pleasure. Okay, and that is going to be the theme of the month. Maybe also in the month of November. I hope this is going to continue throughout the month of, yeah, I told you, risks are there, obstacles are there, hurdles are there, but this person will be wanting to take every risk with you. They are with you in this struggle. They will not let you alone. Okay, because they know they love you so much and you love them back. Okay, what more do we have for Scorpions? Please, advice for Scorpions. Okay, the next we have is flow. Just go with the flow. Don't push anything. Just don't push and pull anything. Just don't force anything. Let everything just fall into place. Let everything unfold naturally and everything will be okay. Okay, Scorpions, I just hope the month of October, and no matter how many months are going to come, I just want happiness. I just pray you get everything you want. Yeah, now let's see from my handwritten messages, what do we have for you? What's happening for Scorpions? What messages do we have for them? Yeah, new cycle. I told you, something is ending and something new is beginning. There is going to be transformation. You are manifesting your love life. You are just molding everything together, okay, of how you want. What do we have for Scorpions? The next we have is blindfold. Put off your blindfolds and see the reality. Okay, keep realistic expectations from everything. Socialize. Maybe you're going to get someone from social media. You're going to connect to someone via social media. Okay, the person you're dealing with might come from a very affluent family, and you're going to receive text or call if you're not talking to this person from a very long time. So finally, your wishes are going to be fulfilled, Scorpions, and I'm really happy for you. Okay, if you like the reading, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.